Learning English, Conversational English, Asking and Answering Questions. Welcome to our English language learning video series, where we focus on conversational English and mastering the art of asking and answering questions. In this video, we will delve into an essential topic: how. Understanding how to use this question word correctly will greatly improve your conversational skills. So, let's dive in. How is a versatile question word that allows us to inquire about methods, manner, or condition. It helps us seek information about the way something happens or the means by which it occurs. Here are a few examples of how to use how when asking questions. How are you? This is a common greeting, and it expresses your interest in someone's well-being or current condition. How do you get to work, school? Here, we ask about the means or method used for transportation. How do you make pancakes? This question seeks information about the steps or procedure involved in making pancakes. Remember, how is a powerful tool to gather information about various aspects of people, things, or actions. It encourages meaningful conversations and shows your curiosity. Now that we know how to ask questions using how, let's explore how to respond to such inquiries. When answering questions that begin with how, you can provide detailed explanations, step-by-step processes, or simply describe a situation. Let's look at a few examples. How are you? Answer: I'm doing well, thank you. Or, I'm feeling a bit tired today. How do you get to work, school? Answer: I usually take the bus, but sometimes I prefer to walk. How do you make pancakes? Answer: First, you mix flour, eggs, and milk in a bowl. Then you pour the batter onto a hot pan and flip the pancake when bubbles appear. Remember, how questions often require more detailed responses, allowing you to share your knowledge or experiences effectively. Beyond asking and answering questions, how is also used in various common expressions. Let's take a look at a few examples. How about this expression suggests a proposal or alternative? For instance, how about going to the movies tonight? How come this phrase is used to express surprise or confusion about a situation? For example, how come you didn't know about the party? How long this expression inquires about the duration of an activity or event. For instance, how long does it take to get there? These common expressions broaden your conversational skills and enable you to express yourself more naturally. Congratulations on learning how to use how in your English conversations. We've covered asking questions, providing detailed answers, and explored common expressions using this versatile question word. Remember to practice incorporating how into your everyday conversations, and soon you'll master this essential aspect of English communication. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in your English language learning journey. Stay tuned for more exciting topics in our Conversational English series. Happy learning!